Hi everyone, welcome back to GeekYorker. I am Raj, and in this video I will show you how to disable user interface sound effect on Mac. Mac plays a small sound when you interact with certain elements, and it can feel distracting for some users. And that's why if you want to disable this, then click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen and then go to System Settings. Now in the left side panel on Settings app, scroll down and click on Sound option, and under Sound Effect, just turn off the toggle right to play user interface sound effect. Now after disabling it, your Mac will stop playing this effect sound. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker. Thanks for watching.